What is up YouTube? Welcome back again. It's buddy Technoboy, and that's the subwoofer of ZEBRONICS ZEB-9400. So 5.1 home theater. So that's the subwoofer, and that's a 6.5-inch driver. You can see so a front firing driver, and the air passing port is at the front too. So in today's video I'm going to do the bass test of this thing, as this thing is connected to my PC using the optical. As you can see it right here, the display, it's showing optical. So I'm going to keep my camera right here so we can focus on the bass, as I'm going to reduce the other channels, the center and the surrounds, and also going to reduce the treble. So now the bass is at plus 2 dB. It can go up to 5, so I'm going to increase the dB later. So now let's start the test of it.
something else like you.